I'm finally changing the mower deck gearbox oil on my Kubota BX2360. According to Kubota, this oil should be changed at the 50-hour service and every 150 hours after that. But mine hasn't been touched since the original 50-hour service in 2012, and the tractor now has over 1,000 hours. Let's take a look at what the old oil looks like, and I'll show you exactly how to change it. First, we got to remove the deck. I have a full-length video on deck removal and installation, and I will leave a link in the description below if you're interested. So this is your check plug, that's the drain plug, and that's the fill plug. Okay, I want to check the level in this because, like I say, I have not I have not serviced this since the dealer did at 50 hours. I've got 1,014 hours on this. Why, I don't know. I've overlooked that, but I certainly am interested to see what this oil looks like. So this is a check plug. I've not opened that yet because I want to see how, I want to check it to drain it. We'll have to loosen that or take it off. Get some rags handy. I've got this tin foil over here just to kind of keep it off the belt. Got some air. It's obviously got plenty in it. That does look dirty though. So anyway, we had plenty. So loosen your fill plug. It's also got a gasket on it. I'm going to leave it in there. Here she comes. Yes, that's dirty. The gasket or washer is stuck on that as well. Like I say, I'll be replacing those. Now we're going to go ahead and take this off. There's only a little over 1/3 of a quart in here. Again, these gaskets are important. And they are stuck. I'm going to do this video with these ones on there. I'll check for leaks, but I would recommend, especially at 1,000 hours, you replace those gaskets. So there's one there, and one there. And I do want to mention that I did run the mower not very long, just to circulate the oil in there. It is slightly warm. That would drain better if I'd have warmed it up more. I'd recommend you do that. Probably run it 10 minutes or so with the blades going. It's warm, but it's not draining as... If that was a little bit warmer, that would drain a little better. It just takes a little longer. Another thing I should mention is your deck should be level when you do this, but I'm going to prop up the end here so that drains a little better. Just a little bit. A little faster. Anyway. Yeah, that's draining better. You see that? Like I say, there's 0.38 quarts in there, or supposed to be. Draining kind of slow. That's probably been draining for 10 minutes. There's no good way of really collecting that oil. As you can see, there's a hole in the deck, I would assume is for it to drain, and it's dripping right there because my rag didn't soak it all up. My main intent for the foil is just keep it off the mower belt. But I'm gonna put a jar under there and see if I can collect some of it here. Yeah, we'll see how much actually we can collect, but it's got to be dirty. This service is recommended every 150 hours. The manual says after the first 50 hours and then 150 hours thereafter. And I've went way too long. Yeah, a couple puddles in there, but I did catch a little bit of the fluid. And it does look dark. We'll compare it to the new. All right. That's done draining. I ran to my Kubota dealership and got some gear oil. Asked them about the gaskets that stuck to it, and they said as long as they weren't leaking, they're fine. I don't think they had gaskets. In fact, I think he said you have to buy the plug and the gasket. But he said if you weren't seeing any leaks, it's fine. So I don't know. The tinfoil did protect my mower deck belt, but there is a hole. Let me just do it now. That's the oil I caught that dripped down out of the bottom of the deck. Purpose for this was mainly just to keep my belt from getting oil on it. So we'll clean this up. Like I say, there's about 1/3 of a quart. Here's the openings where there's actually 2 of them where it actually got through and dripped down to the bottom of the deck. That's probably what it's for. I just don't know if you want to get oil on your belt. Okay. Kubota recommends 80W90 gear oil, and it is the API GL5. API GL5. You can probably read that better than me without my cheaters. And it only takes a little over 1/3 of a quart, 0.38 quarts. What I'm going to do is open it up, pour a little bit in the jar. I collected a little bit, and I'll show you how dark the oil is. Dark oil isn't just dirty, it degrades. See the difference? That's got 950 hours on it. Way too long. It's recommended that you put fresh oil in the gearbox every 150 hours. So, way overdue. That's what it looks like. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take the blocks out from under the chute end of the deck, level it out, and we'll fill it. So go ahead and reinstall the drain plug. Like I think I already told you, these gaskets or these washers on here that's stuck on there, I just asked my Kubota dealer. He said, if you don't see leaks around it, haven't seen anyway, he said they're probably fine. So I want to just go ahead and thread that back in there, make sure these are both the same. Yeah, the check plug and the drain plug are exactly the same. And this takes a 12 millimeter socket. Now we're going to leave that one open, and we're going to fill until it starts coming out here. Seems like that ought to be a third of a quart. This is a quart bottle. We'll find out when we get done. There it goes. That's where you fill it to. I always run it for a while and then recheck, but it's coming out. Go ahead and put your plug in. This is your check plug. It's like a dipstick, I guess. Same size bolt. And now you can replace your fill plug. The way the Kubota dealership talked, you replace all the plugs if you have to replace the gaskets or washers. All right, so out of the 32 ounces, that's what a quart is, we are down to basically 20. It's right at the 20 ounce mark. So we put approximately 12 ounces in, just a little bit more. 0.38 quarts is 12.16 ounces. And that's how you change the mower deck gearbox oil on a Kubota BX2360. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more BX2360 maintenance tips. And comment below, how often do you check your deck gearbox oil?